Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below this video. Today we are coming to talk about different questions about Microsoft Copilot, how to download it, how to use it, and what is Copilot. So let's start with the first question. What is Copilot? Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered digital assistant designed to help users with a range of tasks and activities on their devices. It can create drafts of content, suggest different ways to word something you have written, suggest and insert images, create PowerPoint presentations from your Word document, and many other helpful things. And second question, is the content Copilot produced original? Copilot generates content based on language patterns it has found throughout the internet. Sometimes its results will be very similar to existing internet content, or Copilot might generate the same or very similar content for multiple people who are promoting Copilot in the same way. For example, everyone who instructs Copilot to create a receipt for Apple Pay is likely to wind up with identical or nearly identical content. And the next question, how is Microsoft involved with ChatGPT? Microsoft and OpenAI are working together to develop the underlying AI. Microsoft is developing and providing the supercomputing infrastructure that OpenAI services run on. What is responsible AI? Responsible AI that is designed, developed, and deployed in a way that takes into account ethical, legal, and societal consideration. That includes considering the potential for unintended consequences, being transparent and how decisions are made, and respecting privacy. Responsible AI also requires building trust and ensuring accountability, as well as ensuring that individuals aren't discriminated against due to the race, gender, or other protected characteristics. Does Copilot learn from my data? This is a very important question. Neither your document content nor the descriptions you write are used for machine learning. Likewise, when you send feedback or report to content, Microsoft uses your input to make feature improvement. Your feedback doesn't directly impact the foundations of and the fundamentals of AI models that Copilot is based on. And another very important question, will AI replace me at work? The answer, no. AI is designed to replace people in the workplace. AI is not designed to replace people in the workplace. AI is designed to make certain tasks more efficient, but it will not be able to take over more complex tasks that require human judgment, decision making, and creativity. AI can help businesses become more efficient and productive, but it won't replace the need for humans in the workspace and on the workplace. AI can create drafts of content, but it's still important to have a human in the loop to review, edit, and approve the content AI has created. And do any Microsoft product have AI built in? Yes. Many Microsoft products have AI built in, including Microsoft 365, Microsoft Azure, Windows Dynamics 365, and Microsoft Cognitive Services. What are some examples of AI features already available in Microsoft product? Let's talk about this. First one, Microsoft Bing Visual Search. Bing Image Search uses AI to understand the content of an image and show relevant search results. 2. Microsoft Cognitive Service. Cognitive Services is a suite of AI tools that enables developers to build intelligent apps and services. The third, Microsoft Translator. Microsoft Translator uses AI to provide real-time language translation for over 60 languages. 4. Microsoft Boot Framework. Boot Framework is a set of tools and services that allow developers to create intelligent boots. And this is, we have very different examples for the boots created by AI nowadays. 5. Microsoft Office Insights. Office Insights use AI to provide intelligent recommendations and insights that help users to be more productive in Office. And the last one, Speaker's Coach. Speaker Coach uses AI to give you feedback as you rehearse your presentation, helping you to become a better presenter. And the most powerful question and the main question of the video: how do I get Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps? Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps like Word or PowerPoint and Excel is currently available only in limited private preview. It will be coming to wider audience in the coming months. This is the main question, that identifying that Copilot of Microsoft is now available and in trial, but not everyone available to use it or to download it. So stay tuned for this in the coming months, inshallah. And if you want to add a Copilot add-in in your Excel or Word, there is another video on the channel. It can lead you to add this add-in until Microsoft release the Microsoft Copilot, and you can use it with its all power. This is the end of text. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for every new news about tech, and see you later. Bye.